The average homeowner purchases only 1 or 2 HVAC systems in their lifetime. So how do you protect your investment? And how do you get the most out of your heating and cooling system? In this video, we are going to give you all the information about our maintenance agreements so you can decide which is the best fit for your heating and cooling needs. Hi, I'm Devon, the maintenance coordinator for Fire and Ice, and we typically recommend maintenance agreements about 1 year after the system has been installed. So depending on the age of your system, you might not need a maintenance agreement. However, if you would need to file a warranty claim, the manufacturer will typically want to see that preventative maintenance was done to the system in order to honor the warranty claim. We have 3 different types of maintenance plans that cover a range of benefits for each plan. In this video, we will talk about what a maintenance plan is and why you should get one. We'll then talk about the features and price of the 3 plans we offer, and finally, we'll talk about what to do next. We hope by the end of this video, you'll know what a maintenance agreement is and which plan is right for you. So let's jump in and find out what a maintenance plan is and why you should get one. A maintenance agreement is when one party will maintain an asset owned by another. One reason to get a maintenance agreement is it lowers your energy costs, it keeps your equipment running as efficiently as possible, reducing your energy bills, and it extends the life of your equipment. Now let's talk about the features and our prices for our basic reliability maintenance plan. Our basic reliability maintenance plan is $25 a month. It does come with a 1-year warranty for the repairs that are performed. You will also be receiving priority status of receiving service within 36 hours. And who would best fit for this type of plan will be someone who has purchased a brand new HVAC unit that has not had very much wear and tear on the system. Now let's talk about the features and our price for our mid-range efficiency plan. It does start at $39 a month, and with that you would be receiving a 2-year warranty and also priority status of receiving service within 24 hours. And an added benefit would be the 20% discount on equipment repairs and your choice of technician. And who would be the best fit for this type of plan? Anyone who has multiple units who will benefit from the 24-hour priority service. Now let's talk about the features and price of our comprehensive peace of mind plan. Now this plan starts at $56 a month, and it does include the benefit of a 3-year warranty and priority status receiving service within the same day. Naturally, you would receive a greater discount at 30% on your equipment repairs, and you will also get the added benefit of your choice of technician. And finally, you will receive a free diagnostic call with repairs and a choice of Saturday service. This plan is for anyone who is interested in protecting their investment and anyone who may be wanting to sell their home further down the line. Anyone who's trying to keep their unit at 100% all year round. And finally, let's talk about what to do next. If you want more information on maintenance agreements, click the link in the description below. If you found the video helpful, feel free to subscribe and hit that bell icon to receive notifications every time we release a new video.